Are you looking for a HR management SaaS website or any type of SaaS HR solution for your business? Or an agency, blog, CMS, or SaaS landing page website for your company? Introducing HRFlow TNC, the best Webflow SaaS HR solution template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNcode.com. Here, you need to search HRFlow TNC. Take a look at our HRFlow TNC template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of HRFlow TNC. HRFlow TNC is a SaaS template that streamlines HR processes with automated workflows and reducing manual tasks. Present your services with a professional, high-quality website that showcases your expertise and impresses your visitors. This template has a modern and responsive design. HRFlow TNC ensures a smooth experience on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. This template covers all HR functions from recruitment and onboarding to performance management and benefits administration. Gain insight into employee performance, engagement, and overall HR metrics. Employees can manage their personal data and performance reviews. Facilitate a smooth process for new hires. Centralized platform for document submission, training, and cultural integration. Streamline your HR processes with automated workflows. HRFlow TNC is designed to be user-friendly, scalable, and accessible from anywhere. It is a cost-effective and flexible solution. Now, let's see how to use HRFlow TNC. This is our template, HRFlow TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. You can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on nav bar and select the nav link, what I want to change. Here I replaced this nav link name from Features with Home. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. Then, you can easily change this hero image by clicking on the Replace Image option. After that, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to ThemeNcode LLC. Then I also rewrite this subtitle too. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button and it shows all the options for editing this button. Have a look, here I changed this button name from Request Demo to Click Here. You can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type or URL. You can see how easy it is to customize this template. You can easily change, edit, add or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. Here, you will find our blog section. All of these are coming from the CMS items. If you want to change, edit, add or delete any of these content or any other CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS items management, click the I button of this video, or I will attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. After that, you can edit or change each social link or icon. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as for your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best HR management SaaS template, get HRFlow TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNcode.com.